Want to create AI images instantly as you type? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Krea AI's real-time generation feature in 2026. You'll learn how to generate images, refine prompts, and improve results in real time. So let's jump right in. First, open Krea AI and sign in to your account. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the real-time generation tool. Click the real-time generation feature to open the interactive canvas. This is where Krea updates images instantly as you modify prompts and settings. Now type a description of the image you want to create. For example, you could enter something like modern futuristic city at sunset with cinematic lighting. Yeah, even a simple prompt will generate results immediately. As you add or remove words from the prompt, Krea updates the preview automatically. This allows you to experiment quickly without waiting for a full generation every time. Next, explore the available controls. Depending on your account, you may be able to adjust style strength, image dimensions, guidance settings, or visual effects. These controls can dramatically change the final look. For even better results, upload a reference image. Krea can use it as visual guidance while still responding to your text prompts. Once you find an image you like, use the enhancement or upscale tools to improve quality and add more detail. Finally, download your finished image. Depending on your plan, you may have access to higher resolution exports and additional quality options. And that's how to use Krea AI real-time generation in 2026. By adjusting prompts and settings live, you can create and refine AI artwork much faster than traditional image generators. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.